In this video we will learn about the type of loading in beam. So first one is point load. If there is a beam and load is acting at very small length, so we can approximate as a load acting on a point. So this point load is denoted as arrow, downward arrow means acting downward, and it is called point load. It is considered to be acting on a single point. So we can say that this beam, suppose this is point P, so then we can say that this load is acting at point P. And second one is uniformly distributed load, or we can say it UDL. So UDL, if load is acting on beam at very large length, in considerable length, and it is uniform in intensity, then we can call it uniformly distributed load. We can denote it as in two ways. This is beam. So if loading is given like that, then we can say that it is a UDL, or it can be also given as this, like this. And it will be given that loading is like 2 2 Newton per meter. So if intensity of load is given at 2 Newton per meter, and suppose beam is 5 meter and long, then we can say that total load is equal to uh, 2 into 5 is equal to 10 Newton, means in intensity of load into length. So if it will be given that load is 2 Newton per meter, then we will multiply it with length to get the total value of load. And third one is uniformly varying load. So in this case, suppose this is a beam, cantilever beam. So load will be like this. Load will and loading direction will be given as arrows. So load will start from 0 and it will go to the maximum value, suppose W. This is load W and this is load 0. It will act over the length of the beam, and it will increase or decrease continuously. So in this case, total load can be calculated. This is a triangle, so total load will be half into area of the triangle, half into base into height. So suppose length of the beam is L, then we can write half into base is L into height is W. So value of load can be written as WL by 2. Total load is WL by 2. In this case, total load is W into L. Okay. Next one is trapezoidal load. So this is actually type of uniformly varying load. This is also called UVL. So this is basically a type of uniformly varying load, but it will not start from 0. Here it was starting from here, but it will start from some values of load, not from 0. So suppose this is W2, this is W1, then total load will be area of this trapezoidal. So total load is half into W1 plus W2 into L. This is L is length of the beam. Okay. Now fifth one is general load. So this is a beam, and we don't know the exactly type of loading. We cannot express this by formula, and it may be increased in some moment, then decreased. So load is continuously changing. So this type of loading is called general load. Next one is moment. external moment. So this is beam, and if moment m is applied here, then this type of loading is called external moment loading. Then last one is uniformly distributed moment, UDM. So suppose this is a beam and moment is distributed uniformly over the length of the beam, so we can denote it like this. Then this is called uniformly distributed moment, and it is denoted as Newton meter per meter. So if value of intensity of the moment is given like 2 Newton meter per meter, then we can multiply it with the length of the beam, 2 into L Newton meter. This will be the total moment. Hope you understand this. In next video we will discuss the type of beams. Thanks for watching this video.